Trading while working a 9 to 5. It sounds challenging, right? I used to think the same, until I built a routine that actually works. If you want to grow your money while working full-time, watch this. Hey, I'm Davina. I trade options while working full-time. I live on the West Coast, and the market opens at 6:30 and I had to be at work for 8 o'clock. I was all over the place, checking charts at work, taking random trades, and stressing over every market move. But then, I built a strategy that worked for me. I knew something had to change. I had to make some sacrifices for something I really enjoyed. I wake up at 4:30 PST to prepare for the trading day. First, I look at news, market sentiment, and create my watch list, set alerts for key levels. At 6:30, the market opens and I focus on executing my plan. I usually trade for 60 to 70 minutes and at 7:40, I'm done. No overtrading, no randomness. Then I'm off to work. Let's talk about investing. I take 50% of my trading profits and a portion of my income and invest in ETFs and stocks for the long term. If you're working a 9 to 5, the key is structure and discipline. You don't need to be glued to the charts. You need a system that fits your lifestyle. Trade your plan, invest consistently, and stop overcomplicating it. I'm sharing my trades, investments, and progress right here. So if you want to see what's working and what's not, hit subscribe and let's build together. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.